What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for your brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. And today, guys, we have the Mustang. And previously I have done a video, probably like 30 videos back, on what's on my Mustang. And today I showed you guys, I've showcased the good stuff. Today I'm going to show you guys what is wrong with my Mustang. So everything that's gone wrong with my Mustang, starting from the front to the sides to the rear to the interior as well. So let's get it started. Right off the bat, guys, on the hood, everything's good. Under the hood, right here, since I upgraded to the Cervini Cobra R hood, I do not have a prop strut, whatever it's called, the hood strut. I did have those hydraulic ones that were pretty cool for like cars and stuff, but these don't work with the new hood, so that is out of the picture. And I do not have the wipers the wiper water tubes, whatever they're called, installed either. And besides it being dirty, that is it for here. Now, out in the front, I do have these front side markers that do not work. I do need to get that fixed. See this? I have something here. And on this side, I don't know, somebody jacked my cover. I don't know what happened. I don't think it fell off. There were some clips that were on there pretty well. I don't know what happened there. Second of all, on these fog lights, they don't even work. All right, so coming around the corner, as y'all can see right here, the wide body isn't like complete. I never finished it 100%. It's probably like 85-80%. This right here, I hit the garage on the way out. I parked a little too close to the corner on this side and that side, and I'll show you guys the other side in a bit, but I did scrape this. Let's see, off to the side, obviously some curb rash right there. Those side skirts have been broken since I got in the car crash, and they are pretty faded, as you can see. As we move to the side, this side does not have a badge, the other one does. We keep moving. Again, these are broken, need to get these fixed. Rock chips on the wide body, more incomplete wide body action right there. Keep walking around, and we get to the rear. Again, side markers do not work. We need to get those fixed. You can see paint peel, doesn't look too bad. And then we get to the back, and that is horrible. Check that out. I'm thinking of maybe doing a 13 to 14 bumper swap, so I might get that in there. A few videos ago, I did recommend the Fred Parts, I forgot what it was called. I bought it from CJ Pony Parts deck lid, and let me tell you guys that it is crap. All right, don't get that one, just go with the RTR one. Check it out, the clear coat went horrible, so heck no. Other than the diffuser just peeling, I do have the gurney flat, which I don't know, it shrunk, or look at this, look at the gap that they have here. No, that ain't it. So gotta get that fixed as well. Decal on right side, no decal on the left side. We go off to the side marker don't work, more curb rash, more unfinished wide body, and this has been broken for like 3-4 years. I haven't just justified myself to spend $70 or $60. I don't even know how much these are, but they're pretty expensive for a little railing right here. So that is crap. On this side, we can see not much going on. The badge that is faded, that is on this side, and that we don't have on the other side. And on this fender, the peeling of the clear coat is horrendous. I do need to get this repainted. More damaged wide body fender, and more curb rashed wheels, destroyed wheel wells in there. But I mean, if I show you guys from afar, the car looks amazing. I mean, that's what they tell you, don't judge a book by its cover. Because look, if I take a picture here, car looks freaking amazing, right? Beautiful, right? But as we get closer, you see all this horrendous stuff. Check this out. Thing is toasted and roasted. It is just completely garbage. This was done horribly, and I missed this part, clear coat. This is an easy fix. I might just have to get it cleared and then sanded, but horrible. That was supposed to be red flake in there. I tried doing something cool with a painter. The guy ran off, and you can see there's like paint runoff, black paint runoff there. As we move to the inside, this seat does not have an airbag. When I totaled and salvaged the car, I'm missing a chrome trim right here. Let's see what else. You guys already know my buttons do not work. See, to the back, mismatched seats, and that looks like that may be it for the interior. All right, interior is probably the best spot. A few rusting right there, a little bit more rusting down here, but what do y'all think for a 12-year-old car? That is everything that is wrong with my Mustang. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Again, that is everything that is wrong with my Mustang. This is a 2012 V6 Mustang. For those of you who are just coming across the channel, who are just stumbling off of my car, yeah, this is it. I've tried my best to take care of it, and then I've had my moments. I'm pretty sure, like a lot of you guys, that end up just falling off and neglecting the car, and that's what happened here. But right now I'm feeling a little motivated, so I might start putting in some work on the car, bringing it back to life. I just gave it its first wash after probably 3-4 months, right? It was much needed. I do need to give it a proper detail, but we're gonna bring this baby back to life, hopefully. All right, but yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely catch you guys in the next one. God bless.
I'm a lit kid.